I think maybe his arms broke.
Get a close-up of his little face. Let me see that. Let me see the... get the top of his head. Because he's got a bad wound up there. Can you see this? It looks like he has...
You're okay. Good boy.
Not a bad dog at all. He's not. He's a good boy.
So he's just been so abused that he wasn't trusting us, huh? I think he just had no hope.
You can leave all that behind. You don't even have to memorize it, okay? You don't even have to memorize it. This wound's pretty bad. Wow, it's deep. I mean, it's not, it's just... Come with me. Come on, let's go. Let's try to get him in the car. Come on, baby. Good boy, at one time you were a puppy, and I know that you would have just jumped in that car like it was nothing.
Oh, wow. Oh, baby.
He's got it down here, too.
Yeah, I know.
You have to come with us now. There's no...
Look, if you have a tough time, I could just back up the car. Let me just do that. Here.
Go ahead. Come here. Come here. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Let me see. You've got boo-boos on your legs. Oh, my goodness. What happened to you? What happened to you? Oh, my God. You were abused. Oh, my God. What are we going to do with you, huh? What are we going to do with you? Come on. What? Come on. Hold on. Let me, Here, let's see. So far, so good. We got him in the car, and he's hiding his little head. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Well, hello. It's okay. It's okay. He's never been in a car before, so he's probably gonna be scared. It's okay. No, stay. Stay put. Stay put, baby. Stay put. Stay put. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, we got you. We got you. Okay. Good boy. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah, you're fine. You're absolutely wonderful. Shh, it's okay. Look at you perk up. Hi, handsome.
Wow.
Hi.
Went from no hope to getting in a car.
Oh boy.
Big step for a little guy.
Wow.
Down and out boy.
He's so down and he's so out, it's scary.
That donkey, he's a little character.
I don't think my door's shut. Okay. Well, hi, say hi, sweet thing. Hi, that's one of the dogs. You can hear Max over there. Well, what we have is, we have some antibiotics and some good corned beef hash. I think he's gonna do it. He's wagging his tail. Come on out, come on out. Come on. This is the doggy that we found. Yeah, look at it. Look at the boo-boos on his head. Oh, baby, those are bad. They were full of bugs. We're in the process of trying to get him cleaned up. Get him all cleaned up. Those probably would have needed stitches. Let's see under your neck. He's got scars there. And then he's got some, oh, holy shit, I never saw that. Come here, come here. Oh boy, that's a bad one. That's a bad laceration. Let me see, come here, let me see your arm. Come here, baby, come here. Come here, it's okay. He's very scared. He's very scared. Let's see what you got going on. Oh my God, well, who would do this to it? Oh baby, look. Wow, look at this one. Look at that. That is absolutely disgusting that someone would do that to a dog. It's okay. It's okay. You're a good boy. You are. You are a good boy. We're going to get you all these beautiful teeth. Look at that. Look how nice those teeth are. He is gorgeous. Look at those sweet eyes. Those are sweetheart eyes. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi. You're a good boy. Yeah. He's very nice. Something where he's got a house all to himself and try and get some penicillin in him. Come on, we've got some antibiotics for you. I want you to eat your food, okay? Say bye, say bye. Say bye, give a little shout out. You're a good boy, you are. What a good doggy, it's a good boy. Is that a little sign of happiness? Let's see the tail. Hi, baby. Wag your tail, come on. Good boy, good boy. That's a good boy. He's finally perking up a little bit. This is the same dog that wouldn't even look at me earlier. You're a good boy. You are. Look at you go. Look at you go. My goal is to make you into the biggest brat in the world. We're going to get you in someone who's going to make you a brat. We're going to get this fixed, and we're going to get that fixed. That actually looks swollen. Hold on. Hey, it's okay. Come on. Come on. Look. That's for you to eat. Good boy, eat it all up. Good boy, you stay. I'm not going anywhere. Good boy. Go on, he's eating food. That's a good sign. Oh yeah. Good boy. That's an excellent sign. Oh, it's a good sign. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Go ahead, finish up. Good boy. Good boy. No food aggression at all. That is fantastic. Good boy. Go ahead. Good. No, you don't have to worry. That's yours. You can eat all of it. Every bit of it's yours. That belongs to you. Did you get it? Did you get it? You got good boy. Oh, good boy. He's a good boy. Look at that doggy. Look at this. Look at this turnaround already. He has made. He's done a 360. Oh my goodness, this dog has got some potential.